You know, you might actually nail it in a minute. Or not. What have you got out, James? A van of madness.
The mad van.
This car's never been here, so do you reckon the ramp's going to be too big for it? Do you reckon it'll be alright?
Try some changeovers from one to another.
To be fair, it handles skate parks pretty well, so...
But this hasn't got a bowl, it's just ups and downs. It's got some whoops.
Alright,
Here we go, guys.
go.
If you ever watch a movie Grown Ups, watch what they do with the adder. The arrow.
The adder? That's miles away.
I'm not playing anymore.
Nailed it.
Oh, you nailed it.
Oh, that was such a happy coincidence. That was so close to being like the coolest thing in the world.
Did it nearly land there?
Yeah, he kind of like spiraled off it, and it was probably 5-6 inches away from nailing
It
it.
looked like it caught the back wheel or something, didn't
It did on the way down. Ow. What? Yeah. Nailed. Ooh, skills. That was perfect. That was perfect. Oh, nice. Nailed. Oh, that was a harsh landing. It looks it. God, this thing's a beast. Wow. The hilarious thing is, the Mad Van over here, we've got more faith in running that than we have the K6 over there. And that's going to be coming out in a bit, but we're not entirely sure how that's going to work out, to be honest. It's so stable, isn't it? That was perfect. What do you reckon to it, out of 10? Ouch.
I'm having that. What, this out of 10?
Yeah.
Easy 8.
Oof. Wow. Nailed. That whole body. How are we going to turn it into the A-team? Were you driving like this?
I thought it was. It's not, the body's tough as nails, man.
To be fair, it's only cracked.
Yeah, the body's tough as nails.
It gets some good run time as well, doesn't it? You like doing that, don't you? You know, you might actually nail it in a minute. Or not. Slaps for days. Nailed. So far, guys, we've been running the Mad Van for 21 minutes. And it hasn't broke. Well, would you count my one as a break? No? What was it? Just the ball thing popped out?
Yeah, do you know they got the CVD diffs? CVD things?
Oh, yeah.
They got the ball and the 2 little points on each side, haven't they?
Yeah.
One of them popped out the cup.
So there you go, guys. 22 minutes now, maybe. And half a break. Let us know if you count it as a break, but we're not, so. But they definitely named this thing right, because it is a Mad Van. Wow, where are you going?
I don't know,
He's trying to get away from you. He's saying, I don't want this Muppet driving anymore. So do you continue to be impressed by the Mad Van?
It impresses me each time we take it out. I bottled what I was going to do. Oh, see that clip, that back wheel? That was close. No. Oh, nice. Nice. Like that. Oh, all the way. It is very forgiving until you do that.